Hi everyone, it's Louisa, your course teacher. I'd like to welcome you to the presentation tutorial of the pack that is dedicated to portrait editing. So let's get started with this motivation intro and check it all out together, shall we? Many of you have often said, alright, editing a picture is great, but I am still not able to reach the goal of bringing that shine to my pictures, you know? Just that little bit extra that really adds to the whole beauty of the image. Well, you're in luck, because the pack is now finally available. In this pack, you will find 30 actions that are specifically dedicated to portrait photography. These actions each have a different effect, and each effect is quite specific, which will really help you save a lot of time. Now, we've already seen together how to smooth skin, right? Well, here's the next part to that, and this part will help you sublimate your portrait photos with just the click of a finger, and all of this thanks to these dedicated portrait photography actions. Okay. So let's check out all of these now with the use of a couple of examples, shall we? First, you must download the actions. Then, it's quite simple. You'll need to decompress the zip file. And here, you'll find the actions file. Make sure that the ending of the file name finishes with ATN. Then, double-click on this file, and that's it. All of the actions have now been installed in Photoshop. It's really quite straightforward, isn't it? Alright, next. To open these action files, you must first click here, on this small arrow. Please note that this arrow represents actions. If, however, it doesn't appear, please don't panic. All you have to do is to go to Window, and then click on Actions. And there you go. The Actions window has now appeared. In fact, you can even notice here the actions file that was recently downloaded. Right, now, to open the file, all that is required to do is click on this small arrow there. And here you'll find the 30 effects that have been created throughout these past couple of years. It's simple. You have here, in front of you, the very best of settings that exist in order for you to edit your portrait pictures. Alright, let's get on with the demonstrations, shall we? And don't worry, it's really quite easy. Okay, so let's take this first picture as an example. Check here that it's in the background, right here, and make sure that it is highlighted. Once you're certain of this, you can then pick the desired action. See? Easy peasy. Now let's say, for instance, we choose, I don't know, Snow White. So, I select it, and then finally, I go ahead and click on the play icon, which is here. This is basically the button that, as the name suggests, plays the action. And notice how different my picture is now? Now, of course, this can all depend on the shot, such as the brightness that was applied to your picture, which would mean that the effect may be a bit too intense, but that's the secret of all of these actions, you see? Because watch. See the opacity here? Well, I can simply reduce it if I want, and then pick the intensity that I prefer. So as you see, nothing is set in stone. Right now, I might just reduce the opacity like so, maybe 60%, and then press enter. And there you go. Just look at this incredible result. You can even check out the before and after. What would have taken me 2 hours of work with the use of a bunch of complicated settings has now instead taken me 2 seconds with an unbelievable result. Okay, let's move on to the next example with this picture. Now, it looks a little bland, however, but it does have potential. So, first things first, remember to make sure that the picture is in the background mode, and that of course it is selected. Then, go to the Actions folder and let's pick fashion. Why not? Then click on the play icon, and voila! Of course, I know that there are probably many other actions that would look a lot better with this particular picture. But for now, I'm alright with this one. So let's check the before and after. You can really notice a lovely contrast now, and great colours too. You see, we've really gone from a relatively bland image to one that is quite attractive indeed. Now I must say this once more, please never forget, you are an artist, and only you can decide the amount of editing that you would like to bring to your pictures. To my mind, a bad image just doesn't exist. The most important is that they be as best as possible to your eyes. What you're doing here is simply applying the percentage of the action, all the time keeping your own style of photography. What's cool with these actions is that they were created specifically for editing faces, you see. However, they also work on any kind of photography, such as landscapes or animals, etc. And this brings me to the next image. Notice how it's the nature here that overwhelms the image. And so, for this example, I think I'm going to try out the culture action. Then press play, and there you have it. How amazing is that? See? Before and after. Personally, I really like the contrast that it's created, but I do believe there is space to reduce the opacity just a little. So why don't we set it at 80%? There. Perfect. To be honest, I think that these actions will really be of great help for you throughout your lifetime, and especially since they work on so many different styles of photography. Your images will finally have that professional touch that you felt you were missing this whole time. And the best part? You can do this with only a couple of clicks. How about we just open the culture action here? Just to give you an idea of the amount of settings used to create it. Can you imagine how long this may have taken? The only thing to remember really is to make sure that your image is in the background and that it is highlighted, because that means that it's selected and ready to have actions added to it. Then you pick the one you want and simply press play. And like I said earlier, that's really how simple it is. You go, in a few clicks, from a bland or colourless picture to something really quite exceptional. Finished are the days where you would spend countless of hours reconstructing these same settings, because today you can sublimate them with the help of a simple click. And that's it from me today, guys. I wish you all a great photo shoot and amazing editing. But most of all, make the most of it and let the actions bring you the creativeness you've been longing for.